Finally. Hi guys. So I'm actually finally meeting up my college friends for lunch and I'm really excited. The theme is Bohemian and I'm already in my Bohemian brunch theme, except for my hair, which I'm going to, style and make like an easy breezy hairstyle. You guys can totally try it at home. I'm going to give you a nice hair hack. But for any hair hack to look good, you need good hair, which is why I use the Sunsilk Nourishing Soft and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. And only with silky and smooth hair can your hairstyles come to life. So let's get started. So for this hair hack to look amazing, you need to have silky, smooth and nourished hair. Quick tip for that. Condition your hair before you shampoo them. Really, उससे आपके बाल एकदम frizz-free और smooth हो जाएंगे. And they'll have a lot of nourishment without actually weighing them down. So that's what I did. I conditioned my hair before I shampooed them with my favorite Sunsilk Nourishing Soft and Smooth Conditioner. And now that my hair is all ready, I can give you my quick tips. Okay, step 1, you have to separate your hair into 3 sections. I'm going to do that now. So take a big section like right from the ear. I'm actually going to make a bun with this section. You can do it by twisting the hair or just like a messy bun, or you can braid it. I'm actually going to braid it because I think it looks more chic and neat. So let's go. Let's braid this thing up. So once you have braided the hair, just pull the braid from all sides so that it looks fuller, and then you make a bun out of this. And secure it with a bobby pin or 2. So I like the front hair messy. You can just run your fingers through it. So once you've secured the first bun, you need to repeat the same action on the other 2 sections. So this is my second section right here and I'm going to start braiding it. And that's done. Now on the last and the third section, पहले मेरे बाल सच में बहुत रूखे सूखे थे and now they're all silky and smooth, so I'm loving this. And once your third bun is secured, you need to accessorize it. So you can put on really nice cute trinkets or pins. I'm going to be using really pretty flowers because I love flowers. Here you go. Nice for a cute brunch. I don't believe this. Got them all right. And ta-da! And now to the most important step and my most favorite one, to take a few selfies. And I'm done. And I can't wait to see how this looks on you guys. But yaad rakhna, the foundation of every good hairstyle is actually good and healthy hair. And the best way to get that is to use the Sunsilk Nourishing Soft and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Anyways, my friends are calling me. I gotta go. I will see you guys soon.